In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize background colors on a Confluence page. We'll walk through how to add background color to specific areas of your page, like sections, panels, or individual table cells, so your content stands out and stays easy to read. First, open the Confluence page you want to customize. It helps to start on the exact page where you plan to make changes, especially if you already know which areas need emphasis. Make sure you have permission to edit the page. If you don't, you'll need to request access from your workspace admin. Next, click Edit to enter the page editor. This opens the editing toolbar and layout controls you'll use to apply color. Give the page a moment to load fully so all formatting options appear. Now select the specific area you want to change. Click directly into the section, panel, layout area, or table cell. If it's a panel, click inside the panel body so its settings become active. For tables, click the cell or drag to select multiple cells. For page layouts, click within the column or section you want to highlight. You'll know you have the right target when the formatting toolbar or properties options appear. Use the background color, panel color, or table cell color option that matches what you selected. Look for the color control in the formatting bar, often represented by a paint bucket or color palette maasin, or within the panel's properties. For table diz, you'll typically see a cell background option once your cells are selected. If you're working with a panel, choose the panel color settings to adjust the background. Choose your preferred background color. Aim for strong contrast so text remains readable. Light backgrounds with dark text usually work best. Avoid colors that make links or headings hard to see, and use a limited color palette to keep the page consistent and professional. If your team has brand colors, align with those for a cohesive look. Before committing, preview the page to make sure the color looks clean and readable. Use the preview option to see the page as your audience will. Scan headers, links, lists, and any code or callouts against the new background. Check that spacing around colored areas feels balanced and that nothing looks crowded or washed out. When everything looks good, publish the page to save your background color changes. After publishing, do a quick final review. If something isn't quite right, reopen the editor and fine-tune the color until it's both attractive and accessible.